Hi everyone! Today I am going to be making tofu mashed potato. I am introducing how to make delicious vegan Japanese cuisine using fermented food each week on this channel. So be sure to subscribe not to miss any of my new videos. Today I will also make tofu batter to put in mashed potatoes. In most recipes, mashed potatoes use dairy products, but this mashed potato uses batter made from tofu instead. It's made of healthy ingredients so you won't feel sick even if you eat a lot. I will also tell you how to easily peel potatoes. Let's make tofu mashed potato together. Ingredients: while boiling potatoes make tofu batter. First, wash the potatoes. Second, make a shallow cut all around with a depth of about 2 mm. Third, put the potatoes in a pan and pour water to cover. Boil on high heat until it boils, then on medium heat so that the potatoes shake for about 20 to 30 minutes. While boiling, the potatoes make tofu batter. Ingredients: first, bring soy milk, tofu, and coconut oil to room temperature. If the coconut oil is solid, put it in a hot water bath to melt. Second, mix all the ingredients with a hand mixer until smooth. Third, it's done. Transfer to a clean container. It can be stored in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks or 2 months in frozen. Now let's finish the mashed potatoes. First, when the potatoes are cooked, take them in a colander. Second, peel the skin off. It can be easily peeled off like this. Third, dry the potatoes in a pan by evaporating the water on the potatoes. The finished product will not be watery. This process is the most important. Fourth, put potatoes, tofu batter in a food processor and mix. Stop once to season with taste Shio Koji and mix until smooth. Fifth, there you have it. It is delicious on its own. It's also delicious when you make sandwiches. My favorite way of eating tofu mashed potatoes is to put it on top of hot rice with a splash of soy sauce. It goes very well with soy sauce. Coconut oil in tofu batter has many great food features. 1. Antibacterial effect. Lauric acid, which accounts for about 50% of the fatty acid in coconut oil, is a type of medium-chain fatty acid and has been shown to have antibacterial effects against bacteria, virus, and fungi. 2. Antioxidant effect. Immunity boosting effect. Lauric acid contained in coconut oil has an antioxidant effect and is said to have the ability to boost immunity. In addition to suppressing aging, it is said to be effective in preventing colds, subcutaneous fat, and visceral fat reduction effect. Experimental results have shown that coconut oil reduces appetite and promotes fat burning and is particularly effective in reducing abdominal fat that accumulates around the abdomen and organs. 4. Symptom reduction effect of Alzheimer's disease. When the medium-chain fatty acid contained in coconut oil are decomposed, some of them become ketone bodies. This ketone body is a substance that attracts attention as energy for the brain of Alzheimer's disease, and it seems that the improvement of cognitive function is actually recognized by ingesting coconut oil. Of course, since it is oil, you should not take too much, but replacing the usual oil with coconut oil will be a healthy dish. Please try it. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented food on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。